Today I am going to discuss about the another problem regarding the air-fuel ratio. Here the isooctane is burned with 120% theoretical air in small 3-cylinder turbocharged automobile engine. So we have to determine the air-fuel ratio, fuel-air ratio, and also the equivalent ratio we have to calculate. So here isooctane C8H18. Isooctane is C8H18. Okay, this is isooctane. Now this isooctane is burned with 120% theoretical air. So isooctane with 120% theoretical air. So isooctane C8H18 with 120% theoretical air is burned. So now, and also air consists about 79% into 21% O2 by volume. Okay, so air contains by volume 79% N2 and 21% O2. So 79 by 21, it will be, one second, it will be 79 divided by 21, 3.76. So air consists about 1 mole of oxygen with 3.76 mole of N2. Okay, so now the chemical reaction or combustion equation will be C8H18 plus C8H18 plus ZO2 plus 3.76 N2 equals to ACO2 BH2O plus ZN2. Okay. So now from here, if we balance this equation, then it will be C8H18 plus O2 plus 3.76 N2, that will be equals to A. Now we have to balance this equation, then A equals to here 8. C carbon will be here 8 mole, so A will be here 8. So it will be 8 CO2 plus BH2O. B will be here 18. So it will be 9 H2O. So B will be 9 plus. So now here oxygen is 8 into 2, 16 plus 9. So it will be 25. So 25 means Z equals to 25 by 2. So it will be 12.5. So it will be now 12.5. Now it will be 12.5, 3.76 N2. Okay, this is the actual combustion equation for theoretical air with theoretical air of isooctane, with theoretical 100% theoretical air and isooctane. This is the actual combustion equation. Okay. Now for 120%, it will be C8H18 plus 1.2 into 12.5, because 120%, so it will be 1.2% total will be. So 1.2 into 12.5 into O2 plus 3.76 N2, it will be equals to 8 CO2 plus 9 H2O plus 3.76 into 12.5 into 1.2 N2, plus also it will be added with, so 1.2, if it is 1.2 into 12.5, 15, so 15 into 2 it will be 30, 15 into 2 it will be 30, and now here 8 into 16 plus 9, so 25, so 25, so 5 is required, so it will be 2.5 O2, 2.5 O2. This will be the balanced equation of isooctane when it is reacted with the 120% theoretical air. Now coming to the first, that is air fuel ratio, that is mass of air by mass of fuel. So it will be, air will be this quantity is the air, so it will be 1.2 into 12.5 into 32 plus 3.76 into 28 divided by 12 into 8 plus 18. So now the air fuel ratio, that is the 120% air fuel ratio will be 3.76 into 28 plus 32 into 12.5 into 1.2, so 2059.2 divided by 96 plus 18, so it will be 114. So divide by 114, so it will be 18.06 is to 1, 18.06 is to 1. Okay, that is the answer. So now also the fuel air ratio will be similarly 1 divided by 18.06, so it will be now 1 divided by answer 0.0536 is to 1. That is the another answer. Now coming to the equivalence ratio. C is the equivalence ratio. So equivalence ratio. So phi is stoichiometric air fuel ratio by actual air fuel ratio. stoichiometric air fuel ratio by actual air fuel ratio. So actual air fuel ratio is 18.06 is to 1. 18.06 is to 1, and stoichiometric air fuel ratio is, that is, from this equation it will be calculated, that is 12.5 into 32 plus 3.76 into 28 divided by 96 plus 18. So now the air fuel ratio for the stoichiometric, it will be 3.76 into 28 plus 32, it will be multiplied by 12.5. 1716 divided by 114. So stoichiometric air fuel ratio, it will be divided by 114. 15.05. 15.05 is to 1. So now the equivalence ratio phi equals, it will be 15.05 divided by 18.06. So now the phi equals to, divided by 18.06, it will be 0.833. 0.833. So whereas it is phi is less than 1, so it will be lean mixture. That is the answer.